Hello everyone and welcome back. I'm Giuseppe Mamano. Today I will show you step by step how to apply gold leaf, real one or imitation one, on a picture frame for achieve the old antique look. What we try to do today? Making this frame gold. Look, I almost already did some of it. This is still wood. What you need, we're gonna apply first this glue, this special glue for, this is real 24 karat gold from Italy. But we're not gonna use this one. We are going to use imitation gold. And I bought the real one for another job. They have to do it. So I'm kinda see what's going on right now with this one. Now this one is the gold. The gold is very, look, I can show you from this, sticky. You know, you cannot touch it with your hand like I'm doing. So you gotta be, to do it, you gotta be in a place with no wind or anything like that, fan or stuff. Now the first thing that we're gonna do, clean brush, this special glue. Now, if I put this glue everywhere, you want the gold leaf to stick. So I'm applying the glue everywhere. And we will let it sit for an hour. We're gonna sit together here for an hour. I'll tell you maybe a story or something. We spend some time together. What do you think? Huh? No. Now we're gonna apply this glue, and I will see you in an hour. All right, I'm back here, and this has been an hour. So it's pretty tacky. Oh, I glue my finger in the... Oh, this glue is very powerful. I'm kidding. Here we are, after an hour. This is pretty tacky. See the noise? We're gonna start put some gold on it. Now I have here the real 24 karat. They're gonna put only one, just to see, because I bought this tool. It's for varnish, so I wanna see how this works with the real gold, because it didn't work very good with the imitation. So we'll put one of the real 24 karat and the rest all imitation. So what I use is 2 cards. We're gonna start with the fake gold. It's very light. What I do, I put it over there like this, and I kind of blow some wind, you see? Oh, gotta be very careful here. And now, I let it go slowly, the glue. The first one is on. Actually, pretty good at it. Now we'll use one of the real gold. I didn't use yet, so I hope I don't mess it up. Look how small it is compared to the other one. I'll try to do the same thing. Oh my god. Oh my god. Real gold. You got me shaking. Got me shaking for a second. The material is different. I can see the different color. Ooh. Oh my god. Alright. Let's put the other one. Now I'll be a pro with the fake one. It's so easy. Well, I tell you this. The real gold is even more, I say, more delicate than the other one. So I learned something. But the real gold is more resistant. More resistant, yeah, that's 24K. Alright, I'll put another one there in the corner. There was a moment. Oh, look at that. I got you. I got you. Professional people, if they see me right now, please forgive me. Please forgive me. Okay. Alright, I let her dry for a little bit, and now with a piece of cotton or with a brush, we let all the gold go away. Clean it up, all the excess. Imagine if all this was real gold. We'll save it. Now, like I said, this is just a practice, exercise. Because I did this because I have to do a real project. So, like in painting, in art, everything you do, the more you practice, the better you get. But that's how you do it. Hope you guys, I think you guys should buy glue and gold foil and have fun. I'm gonna start make everything gold. Everything. Alright guys, we are done for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please remember to subscribe my channel and I will see you very soon. Ciao.